Some people, when they lie in bed, might roll their head from side to side. So some of the reasons why someone might do that is vestibular input. So again, when we're rolling our head, we're getting lots of movement sensations. And our vestibular sense, like I've said many times, is the fluid that moves around in our head between our ears. And that fluid can move in 3 different ways. And one of the ways is that side to side sensation. So for some people it can be the vestibular that they're seeking, so they're hyposensitive to vestibular information, so they still need movement sensations in order to be able to calm themselves. Another reason might be relating to visual. So like on many of my videos, I've said about how our vestibular sense, our sense of movement, is also very closely related to our visual sense. When we're moving our head from side to side, the visual information is changing, the light is changing, the contrast is changing, the colours might be changing, but also that sense of movement is giving us that change in visual information really, really quickly. And one other reason might be relating to sound. So if you think when you move your head across a pillow, you hear it on one side, then you hear it on the other side, and the vibrations that you hear on the pillow can be a way of someone giving themselves more, so hypo again, sensitive to auditory information, they're giving themselves more sound sensations. So maybe you could think about playing some white noise or some sounds which will help them to calm themselves before or while they're going to sleep.